Hi, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to customize your accessibility button in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So we'll go to the settings first, then we're looking for accessibility options here. Now, advanced settings. And here we have accessibility button. By default, it's turned off, but we can select our applications that we want to have here. Yes, and now our little menu is here, and here are our applications that we choose. We can edit it from here, and that's basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.